I'm sure that each one of us have dreamt about going to space once in our lifetime. But what if I say it is possible and who knows, in the future we might be living on completely different planet. Yes, that can be a reality in few more years. That is what is called as space colonization. The idea of space colonization has fascinated the humanity since decades. From the science fiction movies to reality, technology have been developed drastically to make it a reality. But the question is, how close are we to this dream? So in this video, let's dive into the possibilities, challenges as well as the scope of the space colonization. If we look at the current state of space exploration, there has been incredible stride in this industry. Agencies like NASA, ESA, and private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing their boundaries, and we have already landed our rovers on Mars and lived on International Space Station and also have planned of manned missions to Moon and Mars. But there's an important question. What is the need to colonize space? Why should we even consider colonizing space? Well, there are several reasons to it, such as survival. There has been tremendous disaster on Earth and it might increase in the near future. As an insurance and safety purposes of the humanity's survival, we need to colonize space. Space holds vast resources. The asteroid contains precious metals and minerals which can be used for future technology. Other than this, exploring the space colonization will help break through in science and technology and will expand our knowledge about the universe. Not only this, but it will also inspire innovation and could also spark new industries and opportunities. Despite we are excited for space colonization, it is not as easy as we think it is. For example, if we travel to some another location or another country, we make our preparation well. We carry all the resources that we need for our protection. Similarly, here, as we are traveling, we will need to consider some important things. The first and foremost important thing is life support system. In the colonies on other planets, we need to generate our own oxygen, food, as well as water. So, life support systems are a must. There is no other planet that provides protection to humanity as Earth does. The other planets lack atmosphere, hence, we need to have radiation protection. So, we all know how COVID-19 left us alone in our rooms and our homes. So, that has already affected our psychology. In the long space missions as well, we will be habitated in a smaller space, and even in the colonies, we will have smaller spaces to live in. So, there should be some psychological development and advancement to cope up with these kind of issues. Once the colonies are done on other planets, resources are very important. But the transportation from Earth becomes very expensive. Hence, we need to develop in situ resource utilization techniques. And above all of these factors, there should be economic feasibility and there should be an international collaboration that will help bring this idea into reality. Now, are there any proposed solutions that can make this happen? Well, there have been some innovations that have been developed to address all the challenges, like the architecture of space habitat, some of the propulsion technologies, because we will need a lot of fuel to travel from one planet to another planet. So, nuclear thermal or ion thermal technologies are being developed. The development of artificial gravity, which will have rotating space stations to help counteract the health effects of microgravity, and we can never miss out on robots and AI technology. The robotics and AI technology can be really helpful to handle some of the dangerous stuff. So let's talk about the current industry. Several missions have been planned for space colonization, like the Artemis mission, which has planned to return humans on the moon and develop a self-sustained environment. We also have the Mars mission, where SpaceX's Starship will carry humans to Mars and will help develop a self-sustainable environment to live on the planet. Apart from this, we have various private space companies that have been developing technologies like the Blue Origin and Axiom Space. So, how does the future of the space colonization look like? It does has immense potential, but we are still in a very early stage for it. In order to go closer to the reality, we need to overcome all the hurdles and face all the challenges and develop technologies accordingly. Until then, we are living on this beautiful planet Earth. Let's make an oath to protect it as much as possible by having some sustainable habits. because there is anything that can be found in space, precious minerals, metals, and some rare things that are not found on Earth. There's only one thing that is not available anywhere else till now in the universe, that is life and trees. So let's protect the planet Earth until we have the future of space colonization. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss on any notifications.